Thank you. Our next speaker is His Excellency Nikol Pashinyan, Prime Minister of the Republic of Armenia. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam President, Excellencies, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank President von der Leyen for this global gateway vision. It is very symbolic that during the first Global Gateway Forum, Armenia introduced our newborn initiative, Crossroads of Peace, with the vision to become an important hub for East-West and North-South connectivity. Being a landlocked country, we perfectly understand the benefits of an inclusive and equitable connectivity in all its forms, as the lack of connectivity has long been a major obstacle to Armenia's development, economic growth and regional integration. I am happy to report that today, with peace established between Armenia and Azerbaijan and positive dynamics in Armenia-Turkey normalization, our very idea of Crossroads of Peace is being realized, having full potential to change the whole dynamics not only in the South Caucasus, but also far beyond. During the Washington Peace Summit of August 8, with the support of President Trump, Armenia and Azerbaijan, among the others, reached an agreement on opening of the regional infrastructures based on the principles of territorial integrity, sovereignty, inviolability of borders, jurisdiction, and reciprocity. In addition, Armenia and the US, together with mutually determined third parties, will implement the Trump Route for International Peace and Prosperity project, which will have a significant impact on enhancing connectivity in the region and beyond, fully in line with the vision of the Crossroads of Peace initiative. Dear colleagues, for the first time in the modern history, our region is ready both politically and logistically to unlock its untapped potential and to be integrated into the wider unimpeded connectivity between Europe, South Caucasus and Central Asia. The Trump Route for International Peace and Prosperity, also known as TRIP Route, is a promising investment project that entails a plethora of opportunities for the cooperation from railroads to energy. The EU's increased engagement in the South Caucasus and Central Asia is therefore extremely timely, and Armenia stands ready to bridge these regions, fostering not only infrastructural ties, but also digital, energy and regulatory interoperability and institutional alignment with the European Union. The relations between Armenia and the European Union have never been closer. This growing partnership creates unique opportunities for anchoring Armenia more deeply and strategically into Europe's evolving connectivity vision, such as the Global Gateway, the Black Sea Strategy, the Middle Corridor, Trans-European Transport Network, and more. Ladies and gentlemen, it was an honor to address you today, and I sincerely hope that my words resonated with you and inspired to take bold decisions for peace, stability, resilience and prosperity. I wish all of us a productive day ahead. Thank you very much.